This is a step-by-step demonstration for assembling a vertical double-sided book. Before printing, check your printer settings. To print a vertical double-sided book correctly, many printers require that you select double-sided printing with a short edge or top bind. Your printer settings may vary, so be sure to test them before printing a large number of books. Once the book has been printed correctly, simply straighten the stack of pages in the order that is given by the printer. Fold the whole stack in half, taking care to line up the edges and corners. Now, staple 3 times to the left of the dotted line at the left side of the cover. To protect hands from staples, place 1 strip of 1-inch tape along the left side of the cover. Use the dotted line as a guide. Remove the excess tape with a pair of scissors. You've now created a vertical double-sided book.